Now the first experiment is by 6th class Shashank. What's the color of water in that beaker? We are going to add another color. Would you guess what color it forms? Let's see.
From this we can understood that chemistry can create new things by adding two different chemicals. Cutting which color it will form?
So the color is Siddhartha from the class 9.
Now they are performing the elephant toothpaste.
It is a combination of hydrogen peroxide and common usage shampoo and yeast. They produce elephant toothpaste. Elephant toothpaste.
In chemistry without matchstick, now we can produce flame with the help of glycerin with potassium permanganate. This experiment was doing by Aditya and Taraknath from 9th class.
Come back.
Firstly, in this experiment, they have kept some sand on the plant and they added methyl alcohol, sugar and sodium bicarbonate.
Conversion of water into ice within a fraction of seconds. This experiment was doing by Sundar Prasad and Akash from 9th class.
Hello all. I'm Haika. I'm Akshara. We are studying 9th class in Oxford High School. Today we are here to show our project, represent our project for our science fair. Firstly, a very happy Science Day to all. We celebrate Science Day on commemorance of C.V. Raman sir. He born on February 28 in 1928. He discovered Raman effect. So today we both are going to represent our project, and our project is digestive system.
Now I would like to tell about elementary chemical, which extends from mouth to anus, and this is food pipe. The food is moved in wave-like path to the food pipe. This is trachea, which is in red color. Through trachea, the air passes through lungs.
And this is liver, which represents brown color.
It helps in turns into complex material into small globules.
And this is stomach, which represents peach color. The food materials partially digest here, and the partially digested food materials are known as chyme, and then chyme is get away through this large intestine, and the energetic food is absorbed by the small intestine.
The wastage food is transported through large intestine.
And the small intestine uses more energetic food, and that energetic food is absorbed by small intestine, and the waste material goes through this tip. This tip is known as anus. Thank you.
Hi everybody, this is Josni from 9th standard. I am studying in Oxford High School. Today I prepared a model of the brain for our school science fair. And the brain is our computing system of our human body, as like the CPU is the computing system of the computer. And the brain is made up of three parts. One is cerebrum and cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and medulla is the smallest part of the brain. Actually, the female brain weighs 1250 grams and the male brain weighs 1350 grams. And the cerebellum carries our emotions and speeches and all extracurricular activities carried by us. And medulla carries the sensations like vomiting and cold, or if we are rather feeling hot or cold, the sensations are all carried by the medulla. And the cerebellum is above the cerebrum and not below the medulla. It is the combination of cerebrum and medulla. So it is all about the brain. Thank you for this opportunity.
I am Ashok Reddy, studying 8th class. This is a model of windmill. When windmill rotates, coming heat, this is converted into electricity. Electricity was help a glow light. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Marvika from 8th class.
This is Kirti from 8th class.
Now we are going to explain the importance of heart, how the heart will function and how the heart will pump the blood to all parts of our body. Now before going to that, we have to know some facts about the heart. The weight of heart for an average human, 70 kg human, is between 250 to 300 grams. And the heartbeat per second per minute in a human is 72 times, and per day is 1,15,000 times. The heart will pump the blood in a human per day is 6 to 7.5 thousand liters. Let us go into the topic. The heart is a pear-shaped structure and with triangular outline. The heart is covered with the pericardial membrane. There is two layers. In between, the fluid-like substance is present. That is called pericardial fluid. This protects the heart from the shocks. There are four main external parts in heart which are externally grooves. That is, this is the right atria, left atria. This is right ventricle and left ventricle. This is the superior vein cava, which collects the blood from the body organs which are present in the upper side of the heart. This is the inferior vein cava, which collects the blood from the lower side of the body parts which are present in the lower side of the heart. The collective blood from the inferior and superior vein cava will store in the right atria. But in left atria, the only blood which are collected from the lungs through pulmonary artery will collect in the left atria. Because you have a doubt according to this, why in one atria only will all blood will collect, means what happened? There is a problem in that. Our body contains carbon dioxide blood, so that this inferior and superior vein cava collects the blood, carbon dioxide blood, and store in right atria. Through the pulmonary artery, the lungs will collect, the pulmonary artery will collect the lung blood. This is called oxygenated blood and this is carbonized blood. So it is stored in left atria. Through these pipes, this is the semi-lunar valve in the pulmonary artery. This is the carbon dioxide blood. When the heart will beat, the movements will take place. So the blood which are there in the atria will come through the tricuspid valve. This is tricuspid valve and this is bicuspid valve. So these when the heart will beat, there is a movement takes place, so that this blood will come to the ventricles, so that through these pipes the blood will go to lungs. Through these pipes the blood will go to lungs and either all parts of our body. Thank you.
My name is Abhijit. I am studying 6th class T1 section in Oxford High School. My project's name is tensegrity model. If you see, the upper part is floating in the air. The science behind this is tensegrity or tensile integrity, which describes us about two compressed elements which are opposed and balanced by 5 cords which are under continuous and proper tension. We can see many things around us which use the same principle known as the tensegrity principle. For example, hanging bridges in Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bangalore, and stadium roofs, dome structures, temporary structures, etc. Thank you. This is a game known as the sensor game. We should play it without touching the wire, like this. And if we touch the wire, the light will blow on, and this means out. Thank you.
My name is Pavani.
My name is Santoshini. My name is Ramya. We are studying 8th class and we done project on nerve cell during science day.
Now they will explain what is nerve cell and the parts of nerve cell.
The nerve cell is also called as neurons. It is the largest cell in our body. It is 90 to 100 centimeters long. The most of the nerve cells are present nearby brain and spinal cord. The main function of nerve cell is to transfer messages from body to brain. If there is no nerve cell, brain cannot know what is the function of the human body. Now she will explain the parts of the nerve cell.
In the nerve cell, they have the 6 distinct parts like nucleus, cytoplasm, dendrites and terminal branches, cell body, axon and myelin sheath. In this nerve cell, the important part is nucleus. Nucleus protect the proteins and hold the nerve cell, and the second part is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance in nerve cell, and the dendrites is a smaller branch of fiber, and the terminal branches are the send a message to the body to brain, and the cell body to protect the nerve cell, and the axon is a major protect branch of fiber, and myelin sheath to allow the electrical impulses to and faster and to send the message from body to brain. Thank you, sir.
My name is Tanuja.
My name is Gayatri Devi.
We are studying 9th class. We prepared a model of respiratory system
for science fair. First, nostril. It usually enters our body and toward the nostrils, nasal cavity. The nasal cavity. These are small hairs. Small hairs are present here. Next, pharynx. Pharynx is a warming and moisturizing goes on the common passage of digestive system and respiratory system. Next, larynx. Larynx, the stiff box contain our vocal cords. There are 2 vocal cords in our body. Next, trachea. Trachea, the wide pipe channeling of our lungs. We will touch our throat. We feel tube-like structures. Next, bronchi. And its lower end of the trachea of the wide pipe throat to feel throat divides into bronchi, one leading of the each lung. Next, bronchiole. Each broca is further divides into smaller and smaller branches are called brachioles. Next, alveoli. Alveoli is used for exchange of gases. Next, blood transports every cell of our body. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Sayakil. I am studying 8th T1. My project is hydraulic lift. It can work by the pressure. When we apply the force on syringe 1, the liquid water goes to the syringe 2 and it's exhausted upward direction. It can use for garages, showrooms, etc. It can lift 5 kgs. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Amdev Nandan. I am studying 8th T1. Today our school celebrated a science fair. I participated in science fair. I do like this. When pour some Dettol in a cup and add few drops of gum on it. Like this texture is formed. First of all, safety precaution is wear a gloves and wear a mask. Wear a mask properly. Then you are safe from this experiment. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Sir C.V from 8th class, Oxford High School. I prepared the model water cycle for science fair in my school. This is the water cycle project. When the sun rays fall into the river, it get evaporated and make the clouds, and it is condensed cloud. When the cloud has get more water, it fall into the rain, blast and fall into the rain. The rain water go through the river and again water cycle will be continuous. The water cycle mainly involves three things: evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Thank you.
Hello everybody, myself Akila from 9th class. I prepared a model of excretory system. These two are kidneys. Inside the kidney there are nephrons. They filter the waste that are generated from the different organs of our body. The weight of the kidney is 150 grams. The height of the kidney is 10 centimeters. Width is 5 to 6 centimeters and thick is 4 centimeters. The renal vein carries the oxygenated blood loaded with waste, and renal artery carries the deoxygenated blood. Thank you.
Hi to everybody, my name is Devaki Nandan. Today I make the water dispenser. It may involve the gravity and pressure. When you removing this cap, air produce pressure and gravity will stop the water. And also I am telling main thing that is please save the water. Thank you.
Hello everybody, myself Meghna. I am studying 9th class in Oxford High School. Today I have made a model of food chain. In food chain is a system in which one organism depends on other organisms for food. In this way, in this system, it shows the energy flows. And the food, for example, food chain starts from here to and ends in this way. And the second food chain starts from here to and ends here. And third food chain starts from here to and ends in this way. And in this system, only 10% of energy flows from one level to another level. Thank you.
My name is Uma Maheshwari. I am studying 6th class T1. My project name is density. For this, I am taking 2 glasses filled with water, next 1 spoon and 2 lemons and some salt. Add some salt till it dissolves in water. When we put lemon into this glass, it will float because this salt have higher density and this lemon have lower density.
And here I am putting this lemon into this glass. See, it is sinking because this water have lower density and this lemon have higher density. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Honey.
My name is Harshini.
We are studying in 6th standard.
Our project name is
Forest ecosystem. A forest ecosystem is a terrestrial unit of living organisms, plants, animals, and microorganisms, including interacting among themselves.
environment, soil, climate, water, light in which they live. The forest is one of the main resources in our world.
Nearly occupies 40% of the land area in our world.
In India, 90% of the land is covered by forest.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Zahari. I'm studying 4th class. I want to tell you about solid, liquid, gas. In solid, the molecules are closely packed. Example, ice cube. In liquid, the molecules have some space between each other. Example, water. In gas, the molecules have so much space between each other. Example, oxygen. Thank you.
Hi, myself Ashtrita.
Myself Tejashwini.
We are from 6th standard. Now we tell about a modern town. Modern town we got kacha houses and pakka houses.
Kacha houses are built with mat, old bricks, bamboos, leaves, etc. Kacha houses are useful to poor people also.
Pakka houses were made up of iron, cement, sand, water, etc. Pakka houses were very strong because they were built with iron and cement. Any storms or cyclones, they do not float because they were strong. But kacha houses do not strong because they were built with bamboos, leaves, grass, old bricks, etc. Now we tell about a lake. A lake where stored water and any time they require, they brings water. Thank you.
My name is Bala Vaishnavi. I am studying 6th class. Aim of this project is showing photosynthesis on leaves. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make food using carbon dioxide, water and light energy. Chlorophyll, which found in leaf, traps the light energy. Glucose is the main product while oxygen is the byproduct. Thank you. My name is Sai Srija. I am studying 6th class. I tell about germination. People tree which we use in banyan tree is considered to one of the scored tree. Next, aloe vera. Improve digestive health, promotes oral health. Heals burns due to this smoothing, moisturizing and cooling properties. Aloe vera is often used to treat burns. Bitter gourd can help reduce blood sugar, vitalize and delicious, may aid weight loss. Mint, a type of plant whose leaves are used to flavor to drink, toothpaste, etc. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everybody.
Myself Sanjana.
Myself Pranati.
We are from 6th D1. Our project name is Modern House.
In this we built a house.
And next I will planted the garden.
In the house we built a security man and their house.
In the house front I walk on the road.
The road beside we built a swimming pool.
And some empty space also.
Then thank you.
Myself Agnesri, I am studying 5th standard. Today only science project. Kacha house built with straw, grass, leaves, red torch, etc. Kacha houses found in villages. Thank you.
Myself Harshita from 6th T1. Now I tell about a windmill. Generally windmills located in higher mountains. Wherever the wind is more, when the wind is higher, then the fan rotates. then the wind energy converted into electricity. Thank you.
Myself, Vijay, I am studying 5th level in Oxford High School. The science project name is Life Cycle of a Butterfly. Insects such as butterflies and houseflies have 4 steps in their life. Life cycle of a butterfly: eggs, pupa, larva. The caterpillar makes a cocoon around itself, and caterpillar makes to a butterfly and break the cocoon. Thank you.
Myself, Maita, I am studying 5th standard.
Myself, D. Bonasya, I am studying 5th standard.
My project name is
Solid, liquids, gas.
solids.
Solids. In solids, the molecules are closely packed.
Liquids. In liquids, molecules are closely packed than in solids.
Gases. The molecules in a gases are wide apart. Gases have neither a defined shape nor do they occupy defined space. Thank you.
Myself, Sir C.V. I am studying 6th T1. Now I am explaining about solar system. Sun. The sun is 4.5 billion years old yellow dwarf star, a hot glowing star of helium and hydrogen at the center of our solar system. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus. Venus is third planet from the sun and the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth. Earth is suitable for life. Earth is suitable for life, such as suitable temperature, suitable conditions, water, etc. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. And the sun a dust cold desert world in the solar very thin atmosphere. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Saturn. Saturn is the second biggest planet in our solar system. Uranus. Uranus is the third largest diameter in our solar system. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun and farthest to the sun. Thank you.
Myself, I Snigdha. I am studying 3rd A1. Now I will explain lungs. The nose, the windpipe and the lungs from the expiratory system. We breathe in air through our nose. The air we breathe in the fresh and pure. The air we breathe out is not fresh. It contains carbon dioxide gas. Thank you.